down. Okay. Centrifugal. This is because of centrifugal force which is acting towards the center. Okay. So like this model we can make it. Rotating this, you see, the squirrel is laying in the cage. Why? What is the science behind that? What's the reason? Perception of vision. Okay. If you see any object, so to observe that object, our brain needs some time to analyze the images. 1 by 16 seconds. So proceed also at while protecting this image, so first I am seeing this image. Okay. Before analyzing this image by our brain, simultaneously I am seeing this one. So that's why merging these two pictures as a one. Okay. So this is for the perception of vision. So for this we need, so to analyze the image, so our brain needs 1 by 16 seconds. So for perception, this is a very good model. So for explaining the perception of vision. Okay. So what you have to, I will give one cardboard and two pictures will be there. One is cage and another side you have to paste squirrel or bird or anything else. Okay. Then one stick I will give you, and you have to tie up the stick in the bottom of the cardboard. Now you can start to rotate, then you can find the. Okay.
Even the break the manner was that
right.
Pressure variation. Reduce the pressure. So why pressure? Why there is a pressure variation? Where the air movement are the movement, that area the pressure will increase.
Start.
एक साथ
जोर से फूक मारो.
Please try to give the good quality. Yellow. Now I hide green color. Now got magenta. Okay. Now cyan. Okay. These three. Okay. Light blue. Now you see different colors. Different colors. These are different. Sorry, just hold it. Just hold it. So we can make. See. Stop. Yeah. Okay. So different shape. No. Okay. Dog. This is this. What is that? There. Okay. Now. Bird. Okay, like that. You can fun with this model. Okay. And a small, what is that? A leaf like one, a small toy, and then one thumb pin. And what you have to do, you have to make groove. So with the help of a cutter, you can make small grooves with regular interval with a half-inch gap. Okay, you have to make a small groove, and so this is a refill pen. Refill pen. See, if you start to rub it, then see the fan interface. See what's happening? Action here. Action. If you give action, then automatically it will react. Okay. Otherwise, we can say this is the translated motion into the conversion of translated motion.
कलर shadow का
Attracting. You see. Light charges are repel. Unlike charges are attract. You see. Now it's attracting. Attracting in the sense. So this pipe it has become negative or positive charge. Negative charge. Already this is positive. See.
how will come to that it's positive actually?
Yes, I am rubbing here. I didn't disturb anything. A loss of energy. And what I have to do? So both I am going to rub it. Let's see what we will have. You just cut it and make it like a triangle shape. Okay, you just make it triangle shape. Okay, and then it's not low. So why it gives sound? So where it comes from? Actually, at the end of the straw, it's got to vibrating. Okay, see, the vibration column. If the vibration column will be more, then the amplitude will be less. The vibration column, if it is very less, then amplitude will be more. I'll tell you. बंद करा के चालू आहे. What are the materials required for making this one? What are the materials required? One base box, one color, and one instrument. How much you have to spend? Nothing, you have to share nothing. Okay. What principle is this? What's the actually, so when I press the bottle, so air trying to escape from the bottle. Okay. See here there is opening. So air through the center of the bottle, it move very fast. Okay. The air molecules which are comes to contact within the corner of the bottle, so it trying to curve. Okay. Circular movement. Okay. So that's why it's trying to move. What is that? So we are getting one ring. Yeah, question. Okay. If anybody wants to try it,
अरे बुला रहे अरे तो नजदीक तो जा बाकी मैं निशाना नहीं बनाना आराम से
ओके एक बार इधर इधर दिखाओ, कैमरा को भी दिखाओ थोड़ा. हाँ राइट.